ORCA motors can be used with a variety of software and programming languages. In this video, we will be covering how to get started using an ORCA motor with MATLAB. MATLAB is a standard tool in research and development. Modbus RTU libraries allow MATLAB to communicate directly with ORCA motors at limited communication rates. This means it is more suited to modes that don't require consistent external input. MATLAB can be used in tandem with IrisControls. Once you've activated your MATLAB license, start by visiting our website, irisdynamics.com. Go to the Support tab and select Downloads. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account. If you're a returning user, simply sign in. You will find a link to the ORCA MATLAB repository here. Download or clone the source folder from this repository. Download the Modbus RTU user guide. The user guide contains useful information on operating an ORCA motor with a Modbus connection, including this section, which outlines the parameters to set for your serial interface. At the top of this list is the recommended baud rate. It is important to make sure that the ORCA's Modbus interface and MATLAB are operating with the same baud rate. In IrisControls, our in-house GUI, the baud rate can be input here on page 2. Open MATLAB. Drag the actuator.m class to your project. Drag one of the examples to your project as well. We will start with example 1. Select Run. Select the port number of your RS-422 cable. You should now see the data output to your console, and your actuator object has been successfully created. More resources for using your ORCA motor with MATLAB can be found at the ORCA MATLAB repository, which can be found on the Downloads page of our website.